Okay, back to scrolling up. Now V's are around 4s and 5s ish, right? 6 here and there. So now we can call our V constant about 7 because that's the maximum we saw. So now I'm going to try the letter S. Okay, as you saw last time, scroll up. Oh man, we're in the double digits now, 9s and 10s. 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10. So we could say that it's around above 8, let's say. And of course, I have not enabled said what our amplification factor is, so by default it would be 10. Now, if you want more precision, you can always increase the amplification factor by a factor of 10. However, let's keep it at that. Move through. So this is our configuration. Of course, this is not the only thing we need to do with any µspeech program. Now let's look at the letter F. Okay, F uses a different algorithm, a completely different algorithm from the ones I just checked. We've just set up, which is why we need to calibrate this separately. So for F constant, we don't know what it's going to be, but we can check in a moment's time. Open serial monitor once again, and here we are. If you wish to check the F algorithm, which is what we wish to check, let's press A. So let's go, and auto scroll. So I'm not saying anything, which is why it's 0. I'm going to bring the microphone close to my mouth, and I'm going to say F. A. Hang on, I made a mistake here somewhere. Is F enabled? That's the question. No, F probably isn't enabled. Just a quick change. I'll be putting that up with the rest of the library in a moment's time. Let's try that again. Hopefully this time it'll work. So we're at around above 3. Let's scroll back up. Now I've been saying into the microphone, and we're at around above 380, say. Well, there's a little bit, but 370, 380. Yeah, we could say above 350. Now over here it's below, which should be ignored because these values tend to change over time, and also we have mechanisms for getting rid of this. And let's check with A. A. E. E. So let's go to our little A's and E's that we just said. So it's generally 300, less than 350. Oh, well, it goes above. So let's make our value slightly higher than 350. Let's say f constant should be around 380, and that should do what we expect it to do. And now we can test it. How accurate is our phoneme the phoneme recognizer? Now, we will get junk phonemes during this process because it has not been fully calibrated. However, let's just give it a try. Voice.get phoneme, and let's have it send information back to us. Sorry. Begin 9,600. Now let's have a look through our wonderful thing, and now if I say something, it shows stuff up. So let's go. Well, that was pretty accurate. Pretty accurate too. Yep. A. Whoops. A. Okay. Let's look at A now. This is a little problem with A, and it raises F's and O's. For the most part O's, but a couple of F's. Now, and E's too, but it's fairly okay. Now what we can tell using this is that recognizing A is not very easy, but anyways, using our this current that's why we have incorporated a Neo system, which will get rid of this when we start talking in words. So for now, we'll leave it at that, and that's how you train µspeech.